to start. You have 3 minutes to start now.
Oh, it's so freaking hot in here.
Oh, I wish there was some more shades around.
I know one doesn't use Treeple yet, it seems. Hello, everyone. We are Treeple. We bring tree benefits to people. Without trees, cities are on average 10 degrees hotter, more polluted, leading to adverse health, and pay more to subside, resulting harm. We need trees. In fact, we want trees. Cities and NGOs actively try to plant them, but our current plantation efforts are far from optimal. It's like shooting darts in the dark with blindfolds on. Try getting that right. And that's where we come in. Treeple provides optimal plantation insights, optimizing for benefits such as better climate, less expenses and improved health and well-being of individuals. Current efforts by the City of Lausanne and NGOs only take into account disjointness of the plantation site with the city's infrastructure and consider biodiversity. We empower them by accounting for factors such as species-specific tree growth and climate factors, leading to more benefits from same spending. Money does indeed grow on trees after all. With location data and corresponding climate data for the plantation site, we simulate tree growth in the region over a sustained period, accumulating benefits over that region, leading to benefit-optimal plantation sites called Treeple zones. Darker regions represent more benefit. Here you see them on the map of Lausanne. You, and that guy in the back trying to hide, are our beneficiaries. Over half of our market share comes from government that require consistent plantation insights, and the rest of it is split equally between NGOs and businesses that have sporadic and event-based planting needs. With conservative estimates, the total plantation consultancy market in Lausanne alone is over 1 million francs, thereby showing a tremendous potential for scalability. Our MVP is good to go, it's ready. And we have plans to pilot in Lausanne by the end of the year. Developing platforms for our 3 user segments is our next priority, with local and global launch on the horizon. With Earth solved, we're targeting Mars. We are rooted in an interdisciplinary team of researchers, entrepreneurs, and environmentalists at heart. Join us to intelligently plant more trees for more people. Join Treeple, people.